magical. I've never seen anything like this before.
I came here with a group called Green Lion, and this waterfall was a great bonding experience with all the different houses.
There was some good signage, and it was pretty easy to find, and I would love to come again.
It's written in our stories, written on the walls. This is our call, we rise and we fall. Dancing in the moonlight, don't we have it all?
Other natural beauty besides beach that you can visit is waterfall. While most of waterfalls in Bali are situated in Buleleng area, this waterfall is really close from Denpasar, precisely in Gianyar, which called Kanto Lampo Waterfall. While typical waterfalls are situated in hilly, forest or mountainous area, Kanto Lampo Waterfall is located in a low altitude. To reach this place, you need to walk down on hundreds of stairways, which in a good condition and also secured with its railing. If you feel tired, there are some vendors who provide you a place to chill.
So you won't forget the groceries anymore. There's a rifle in the...
When you're about reaching the base, the roaring stream of waterfall sounds even clearer.
But to this day I don't know what I was fighting for. I'm fighting for.
One unique point of this waterfall is the waterfall structure, which makes the stream fall slow from 25 meters of altitude. Before reaching the river, the falling stream cascades on random black rocks. That makes the water splashes all the way. The waterfall structure shaped from sloping rocks that makes us able to stand up and step on. The rocks look dark and mossy due to the waterfall and humidity. When you are around this site, you need to be extra careful and watch every single step that you make. Many people bring along their fishing rods to catch some at this river. Some others can also swim and soak their body in these calm and soothing river streams. This river is enclosed with rocky cliffs that is covered by moss and vegetation. And at the inside of waterfall, you can see a cave where we can have some slacks.
There's a record we keep turning the reminds us of our youth, but there's still nothing as beautiful as you.
What's even comfier is the facilities at the site, which can be considered pretty great. Near the stair, we can have a changing room for guests and bath tank with natural spring water in it.
belongs in my hand, belongs in your hand, belongs with me.
For guests who don't want to get wet, you can also enjoy Kanto Lampo Waterfall from above, where there provided resting area. Lush vegetation makes this area even fresher and more soothing. From other mainstream spot of Bali, there are many other places that are still natural yet undiscovered by some people. Wonderful!